Nothing confirmed that it will launch the first Pro phone for its CMF sub-brand on April 28th. The company teases that this will be a fresh take with a new design. The sub-brand has 2 generations of TWS buds and smartwatches already, but so far only one phone, the CMF Phone 1. So just about anything it releases will be a fresh take, especially if it's targeting a new market segment, as a Pro phone should compare to the entry-level original. The latest teaser shows off a part of the back with screws. The removable back that was a defining feature of the original will be present in the sequel too. This might be a new color, by the way, as a previous teaser showed a lighter color with a slight green tint. This could just be different lighting though. An even earlier teaser used the trademark orange color. We still don't know whether there will be a vanilla CMF Phone 2. The teasers only mention the Pro so far. There are many more to come between now and April 28th, so we will get a better picture of what to expect in the coming weeks. CMF will also release 3 new TWS buds, Buds 2, Buds 2A and Buds 2 Plus.